Ready? Step and strike. Hi! And reset. Ready? Hi! And reset. Hi! And reset. Hi! Good. That is our palm strike or Jang Kwon strike in Korean. Good. Say palm strike.
Palm strike.
So we want to hit with this part of our hand. We don't want to hit with like our fingers. We're going to curl them back and point our wrist really strong forward. So this is a very hard part of your hand. It's very dense, very effective in striking the bridge of the nose or like the chest. It's a very good strike. Good. So how we do this strike, we're just going to bring your hand in this position and we're going to act like we're punching. So when I say hi, you're going to bring it out, close the backhand, and keep the other hand open. Ready? Hi! Ah! Good. Hi! Ah! Hi! Ah! Hi! Ah! Good. Now let's add a stance. So her stance, she wants to step and strike at the same time. Let's do it nice and slow a few times. Ready? Step and strike. Ah! Good. And reset. Step and strike. Ah! Very good. Switching it up. Step and strike. Ah! Notice how Miss Kim is working both sides so she can become a balanced martial artist. And reset.
Yes, sir.
Step and strike. Ah! Very good. Now let's practice striking a target. Good. Go ahead, face me, Miss Kim. So she's going to strike this target. She doesn't want to focus on hitting the surface. She wants to focus on hitting the back of the target. Ready? Step and strike. Hi! Ah! And reset. Ready? Hi! Ah! And reset. Hi! Ah! And reset. Hi! Ah! Good. That is our palm strike or Jang Kwon strike in Korean.